Hello Revit users. In this video, I want to talk about one of the new features of Revit 2022.1, duplicating parameters. I am in the family editor and I have four elements here and I want to control the visibility of these elements with parameters. Let's go to family types. I want to create first an integer parameter. So I click on new parameter and I say show this. I want this to be an instance and I want this to be an integer, and in the other group is okay. Now I want my visibility parameters. I want four of them like this. New parameter. I want the first one to be called show item 1. I want this to be yes and no, grouped under visibility and instance instead of type. Let's click OK to this. And yes, I have my first parameter. But now I want four of them, or three more. Up until now, in previous versions of Revit, we always had to do this new parameter, and notice that Revit doesn't remember that my last parameter was yes and no and visibility, all of that. No, it always begins with length, dimensions, and type. So I would do this, show item 2, and then change these preferences, the group, the type of parameter, and whether it is type or instance. And I need to do that for all the other parameters. But now there is this new option here. I select the parameter that I want to duplicate, and then I go to duplicate parameter. Notice the name is the next number, in this case, show item 2, click OK. The new parameter is classified under visibility. It is yes and no, and it is already there. It's a copy of the previous one. That is very good. It saves me some time when creating a series of parameters. So to create the other two, I select show item 2 and click on duplicate parameter. The default name is already show item 3. Click OK. Click on duplicate parameter and I have show item 4. And in a shorter time, I have the four parameters that I was needing. So that is very good. Now I need to simply associate each of these items to the corresponding parameter. After some minutes, I have already associated the circle to show item 1, the square to show item 2, the triangle to show item 3, and the hexagon to show item 4. Now I want to write a short formula here. For show item 1 will be visible only when show this is 1. Then I copy this and I paste it on the other parameters. Show this 2, show this 3, and show this 4. Now let's apply. Notice that my preview visibility is on. So because show this is 0, none of them is visible. Then if show this is 1 and apply, I should see the circle. If show this is 2, I should see the square. Show this is 3, I see the triangle. Show this is 4, I see the hexagon. And if show this is something else, I don't see anything. Okay, so this is a situation where we would need to duplicate parameters basically, and the tool saves time in doing this. So I would say that this is a very good addition to the family editor. This is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.